Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. Quite a lot number of people that are using Android phone are not actually aware that apps auto launch drain battery. And as a result of that, I decided to make a video about this I decided to make a video about how you can disable app auto launch on your Android phone in order to boost the power and the memory of your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. For the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on exit from here, and we want to start all over from the beginning. So for that, you want to make sure you proceed to your phone settings. And the next thing you want to do is scroll down right here, go to battery. Then under the battery right here, you want to make sure you scroll down right here. Go ahead and navigate to auto launch app. Go ahead and click on auto launch management. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on app auto launch. Here we go. So you find all apps that has been automatically run each time you boost your phone, and as a result of that, they are draining your phone battery in the background. You can see all apps right here. What you need to do is to simply disable them. For that, go ahead and click on here, and boom, you have fully disabled all auto launch app on your Android phone, which will help you save power and memory on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.